Hello children of class 9th. Good morning to all of you. Today we have to start the new topic, the chapter 3rd, laws of motion. In this topic, first we discuss about the force. And everyone knows about the force in the previous classes. The different definitions is given in the different book. And now here we have to discuss about the force. Force is the external effort that tends to change the state or size or shape of the body. For example, suppose that car is moving in the forward direction with a speed of 54 km per hour. And now we have to apply the brake. Then after some time it will be in rest position. So the state of motion is converted in the state of rest when we have to apply the brake. Similarly, we have to stretch the rubber band or a spring. Then size or the shape of the rubber band or a spring should be changed. Types of forces. There are the two types of forces. One is the contact forces and other is non-contact forces. Now first we discuss about the contact forces. The force which make a physical contact during their applications are known as contact forces. Suppose that we have to push the table. So contact will be there between the table and hand. Or friction force. Frictional force is required the contact between the two bodies. Normal force, when we have to put any particle, any body on the table, then normal force or reaction force should be acted in the opposite direction of weight. Weight is acted downwards, so reaction force or normal force is acted in upward direction. Viscous force, it is just like a friction force which is acted between the layers of the liquid or layers of the gases. Air resistance, suppose that the student is moving in a direction of north, but air is flowing in the opposite direction. So due to the air resistance, so energy of the student should be decreases. Force exerted during the collisions, when the two body is collide together, so force between the two bodies should be acted. It is known as the collision forces. So for in the given examples, contact must be required. So this type of force is known as the contact force. Non-contact forces, the force experienced by bodies without any physical contact are called non-contact force. Example of the non-contact forces: gravitational force, electrical force, magnetic force. This type of the force, contact is not required. Gravitational force is acted between the two bodies which is situated at the small distance or the long distance. Electrical force which is acted between the two charges. Magnetic force is acted between the two poles of the magnet. Some properties or some characters of non-contact forces is nearly same. These forces follow the inverse square law. What is the meaning of the inverse square law? The force which is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the two massive particles or two charges or two poles of the magnet. So it is follow the inverse square law. Gravitational force is the long range force, and electrical force and magnetic force the small or short range forces. And now we have to arrange all the three forces in ascending order. Gravitational force is less than electrical force, and electrical force is less than the magnetic force. Thank you.